Now hope you get this message. Devon House is not the best patty in Jamaica. Don't do that. You'll have Jamaicans bashing you, bro. You will have Jamaicans bashing you. Fine Tasties. Tasties patty is down the road from Devon House. You understand me, I say? Learn the thing, bro, before the people them beat you.
Bless up, brother. Let go.
Alright, y'all, so apparently I was wrong. Tasty has the best patties in Jamaica. But guess who right across the street? Juicy Patty. So right after I'm done getting the Tasty Patty, I'm going right over to Juicy Patty.
Pass the dutchie on the left hand side.
So right here, the blood clot might decide not to work. More of the story, patty flavorful, patty soft, patty juicy, patty almost made me fall dead. Me never leave Jamaica, man. And next, we decide to go to Juicy Patty. First time trying Juicy Patty in Jamaica. I tried it in Florida plenty of times. Rule number 1, never take the patty out the bag. So what? My love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. That's glad. I'm about to be honest here. I think personally, Juicy Patty is more my speed. Like, Tasty's good, but I don't know. I like Juicy Patty bread more. I like their patties more. I think the meat is more flavorful. I think Juicy Patty patties are better.